In the 1800s, the Industrial Revolution changed everything. Factories went from human labors to machine, and the people who understood those machines, they did not get only jobs. They built empires. Now in 2025, we are entering the same revolution again. But this time, these machines are not steam engines or looms, but they are LLMs. They are AI agents that do actually work, that do different tasks. There are voice bots that handle customers for you. There are AI agents that analyze data for you. There are AI agents that take a lot of calls for you. In this video, I am going to talk about what kind of AI agents are in the demand right now and how you can learn AI agents and you can build faster using low code and no code tools, and you can sell them to the different companies and businesses around the world. Now, before moving ahead, let me introduce myself. My name is Gaurav Mitawa, founder of ClusterX, where we are building these AI agents for the last 1 year, and I have sold these agents to different businesses and companies around the world. Now, before diving into the tools, pause yourself and ask what exact AI agent that you want to build, and before that, ask what exact tasks you want to automate using AI agents. Some take calls, some analyze data, some perform research, and even some talk to phones. Now you need to understand what AI agent you want to build first for which particular task. So there are different types of tools that are used for building different type of AI agents. Now I'm taking only 5 most common platforms that are right now in the demand, and you can learn those platforms and build AI agents. Now the first type of AI agents are generally task automation agents. So let's start from the very simple. Lot of businesses has lot of different tasks that can be automated using these task automation agents. So some of the tasks could be, for example, it could be LinkedIn automation, it could be social media automation, it could be content creation automation, or some tasks could be from getting data from one point to getting data to another point. So there are a lot of tasks that can be automated using task automation agents. Now these task automation agents can be built in platforms like make.com, then Na10, and then latent space, and even Zapier. So if you are just starting up, then you can start from the make.com, and if you have some handy experience on coding or technology, then you can start from Na10, and you can start from Zapier as well. These are almost no and low code tools that you can learn, and start learning those tools will make you able to create low code task automation agents. Now there comes conversational AI agents. We all have seen these type of AI agents on different websites, social media like WhatsApp, Facebook, Instagram. We somehow on the daily basis we interact with these agents anywhere on different websites. So these type of AI agents are pretty much trained to interact with the users and to provide user support and customer support for that. So these type of AI agents can be built using platforms like VoiceFlow, WordPress, even chat base. If you are starting from very basic, then you can start from the chat base, and if you have some handy experience, then you can start from VoiceFlow, and then later on you can switch to WordPress. These 3 platforms are enough to learn about conversational agent, and then you can build those agents and start deploying it on social media and on website. Now there comes research based agents. So these are one of my favorite ones, as these agents have a lot of significance in different business processes. So let's understand how these agents actually work. So let's say that you want to research on a particular topic, you want to research on particular need. Let's say you get clients, and then you want to research over that what where this client is coming from, what is the bio of that client, etc. So these agents are made in a manner that they can perform research over a particular person, particular company, particular job, particular process, and lot many things are there. So these agents are pretty much expert in analyzing data and giving the output after analyzing a lot of processes. Now these type of AI agents can be built using platforms like Relevance or Na10. Now there comes the voice agent. So voice agents are the one of the first choice of small to medium enterprise businesses. Many of the businesses who are looking for clients, they use voice agents to cold outreach and for their outbound systems. So these voice agents are pretty well trained on human interaction, and they interact as we interact, similar to humans. So these agents can be built platform like Vapi.ai, Blend.ai, and Retail.ai, and you can start building them without any having knowledge of coding. There comes social media chatbots. So most of the influencer I generally talk to, they have some issues about that they get a lot of inbound messages. Now it can be automated using social media chatbots. So you can train any AI agent to a particular personality of an influencer, and then this agent can be trained on the data that they generally post on their social media, and it can be used as a first point of interaction for their audiences, and then you can sell this type of AI agent directly to those influencers. So these type of AI agents can be built using platform like ManyChat and Chatbase and Agentive, and you can start building these without having any coding knowledge. Now let's talk about a lot of common mistakes that I did, but I don't want you to do the same, and that is learning lot of platform at the same time. If you want to build AI agents and you want to get into the race, just pick one platform, one type of AI agent, and then learn it from 0 to 100, and then switch to next. Because there are a lot of many platforms that are right now going viral on the internet. You can find overwhelm yourself learning from Anytime to Relevance to VoiceFlow to WordPress, but it is totally a madness if you go through all of them. Just pick one, learn this complete platform, learn one platform, and then start building the agent. Now AI agents are no longer a trend. People around the world are building those agents, and as I heard a interview of Sam Altman and Jensen Huang, there will be millions and billions of AI agents soon in the future, and we all will be using these AI agents for ourselves and for businesses and for our education purposes. So we can say that the time that we are heading to is going for only for AI agents. If you like this video, you can share it with your friends, and if you're looking for building AI agents for your organization, fill the form in the description box, and I will catch you soon.